We're coming up to the corner of Ocean Avenue and Church Street. There's the church. Here's Steve's Luncheonette from the back. I guess he's not open. Here's Ocean Avenue. It's truly amazing. Once the plows even get to our street, where's all that snow gonna go? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, they plowed Ocean Avenue. There's Max. All the stores are closed. The only room to walk is on the street. And 7-Eleven though is open. That's the only one. This is a tremendous storm. Never seen anything like it. It's truly amazing.